welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 15th to the 19th of June 2026 on Monday. Zethu makes a life-changing decision about the future of her child. Azande finally tells the truth about the damage may already been irreversible, and after all the uncertainty, Portia and Mawethu choose each other on Tuesday. What begins as cultural process quickly turns into a dangerous power play over Zethu's baby. Lazarus realizes an enemy may be coming for Kawe next, and just as love deepens for Mawethu and Portia, work threatens to destroy everything on Wednesday. Yanga's dream matric dance begins slipping out of reach after Tlati shuts her down. Kawe is forced to decide how much she is willing to risk to bring an enemy down. And while the Zondos prepare for a fresh start, danger quietly grows elsewhere on this day. Yanga finds herself torn between loyalty, ambition, and temptation. Kawe steps directly into danger as the trap for her dangerous enemy officially begins. And while Mawethu falls deeper for Portia, another young heart begins to drift away on Friday. Tlati put his pride aside to repair his fragile bond with Uyanga. Kawe proves she is more powerful than anyone expected, and one unexpected confession changes everything for Mawethu and Portia. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.